Hey everybody, Scott Burnett here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video, and I hope everybody's doing well today and I hope you're having a good day. We got a neat little project today. We're going to upgrade my wife's work from home setup. So she wouldn't let me go wild with this like I did mine, but we're going to get her a sit-stand desk like I've got. I've had one 4 or 5 months ago, and I've got a video up here somewhere where I put it together and set it all up, and I stand about for 2 hours, sit down for 2 hours, and as the day progresses, and I take breaks where I go walk or do something, and I've found it to make me a lot more productive. And her back's been hurting her here lately because she sits here for an extended period of time. And I want to do this, so I found a nice desk on Amazon, but it's a single motor, just a simple control box on it, and it's sit-stand desk. It's from Tacklife, which I guess is a Chinese company. It's in this box down here. I'm going to unbox it, we'll put it together, and right now she has a very small desk. We're going to make it like a sidecar desk so she can put her paperwork and everything on it. She's got a normal laptop with a docking station and 2 monitors. We're going to neaten the wiring up on it and make this something. Now this is partly Gretchen's room too, so I'm the lucky one here. But anyway, let's get down here. I'll unbox this thing and put it together and show you how easy it is. Okay, so I got the box here. It comes in at 65 pounds. Let's see, hopefully it's all in one piece. Take my trusty knife, thank you Ryan. Goodness. Sides are off. Okay, let's see. See if we can get this thing unboxed here. Okay, so we have a user manual, and I'll go through all the specs on it, but it does handle 176 pounds. I can't sit on it, but somebody probably can. All right, so let's go through this. So we got a bracket of some sort. Put the manual over here. Got plenty of foam. Here's one of the leg assemblies, and it's got a drive shaft. It's only got a single motor, so it does have a drive shaft right there. Got several bags of screws, ties, feet, and little Allen wrenches. Another little bag of screws. Got a couple of brackets here. Another couple of brackets. I say these are the side pieces. Got another piece of foam. Here's the motor assembly. Good and heavy. Here is the motor controller. And that's probably the power adapter. Let's look at it. Yeah, that's the little wall wart, what we call it. So this one's supposed to have 2 or 3 memory adjustments. I like mine does, except it's only got 1 motor. Everything's numbered and put together. So, all right. Let me Let me take this foam out of the way and we'll get the top out. Hopefully nothing wrong with it. All right, so here's the top. It's just a black texture finished particle board, but the neat part about it is all the screw holes are pre-drilled. So I ought to be able to follow the instructions and slap this thing together in no time. So I'll unbag everything, get my tools, and put it together. All right, so first thing in the manual, you go through the component list. You make sure you have all your parts, screws, and whatnot. So the first thing we need to do is assemble the crossbar to the table legs. So here is the crossbar, right here. And even though this is cheap stuff, I mean, it's still pretty heavy. So we'll take this and so all the screws and the fasteners, or the tools and everything come with it. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver. So I'll speed through this so you don't have to hear me talk, and I'll tell you how long it takes me when I get done. Next thing is the feet assembly, or the feet assembly. I don't know what you call it. All right, so now I need to put the side plates to the table legs, and they take some M6 by 10 millimeter, 4 of them. So then after that, we put the drive shaft in for the transmission, and then we put it on the tabletop. So y'all bear with me. All right, let's look at this drive shaft here. Okay, so there's a knob on the end of it here. We'll loosen that. Insert the transmission rod into the hex hole, which would be on this side. Be like on a truck going from the transmission to the rear end, so except I don't have a universal joint to deal with. And there's already a set screw somewhere. right, so the set screw is right here on this end. Tighten the knob and tighten the set screw. Looks like all we got to do here. And it comes with three, I'm out of the shot. It comes with three Allen keys to fit everything. All you need is a Phillips screwdriver, and we'll need it here in just a minute. All right, so it comes with a bunch of rubber pads here. And they all go in the slotted holes here on the frame. So we'll put all these in, and then we'll attach it to the top. Be right back. All right, so I'm gonna get the assembly and try to set it on here without breaking anything. And I'm gonna make sure all my little rubber pads stayed there, and they didn't. Okay, so that's got all the little screws in the frame assembly. Now I need to put the little controller on there. And it's just got a few little push buttons on the front of it. So let me get that put on there. Okay, so now all you do is connect the cables. So I will do that right now. You got one cable that goes in the back of the motor controller. It's got a little six wire cable. Then you got a little 2-wire cable that plugs into this guy, and it's got a locking mechanism on it. And this plugs into the wall. And we'll do some cable management and stuff on it. Make it look neat. But for right now, we're gonna plug it up and make sure it works. So that just snaps into that. Can't see me again. I'm gonna make sure that all the screws are tight and everything, and we'll set up and see how it does. All right, so got everything powered up. I got a little green light right here. You probably can't see that. All right, editing Scott here. I was right in the middle of testing the standing desk, and when I moved the camera and when I set it back, it went nuts. And I've never had my GoPro do that. I'm on a GoPro Hero 8. The whole footage just started shaking all over, and don't really know why. So the part of me testing the desk is not there, but the part of me after I set everything up, all the computer monitors and all that stuff is there. Desk works great. So let's finish the video out here. All right, so I got everything set up. I got her monitors back, keyboard and mouse back, laptop back the way she wants it. Her headset and all, because she sits right here all day, but now she's going to sit and stand. This is going to be cool. So the memory feature on it could not be simpler. I mean, you put it all the way down, hit one button, put it to where you want it, where you're comfortable, you hit another button. So if I hit the down button, and we've already adjusted to where she thinks she feels comfortable, I may have to go back and readjust it, but so there's the sitting position. I come over and hit the up button, It's very quiet. It's quieter than mine, but mine has 2 motors and it's a lot heavier. So, but these are just the monitors and stands and docks and stuff that come from where she works. And this is where she wants it, right here. Remember, she's 5'2" or something. So, but anyway, it's got everything in the manual is just like they say it is, and they got a little troubleshooting guide here on the back too. They got a QR code that you can go to their website. So all the links be in the description. I paid for this myself, nobody else did. Hopefully this will help her back and legs and everything. It's helped mine. So, and y'all can watch my videos. All the stuff on my desk I have a video on it, so it's pretty cool. But anyway, this is the Tacklife Standing Desk from Amazon. I think it was $139 with the coupon. If you go in there and get honey and whatever coupons you can find, you can actually get it cheaper than that. So pretty cool. Anyway, if y'all like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit that little subscribe button, hit that bell to be notified. 690 subscribers, and I can't thank you enough. Hopefully we'll have some fishing videos. We've had some family stuff going on, so I hadn't had the boat out. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. Hope everybody's having a good day. And until the next video, thanks for watching. Too bad I don't do this for a living. Pretty easy. Let's go do something else.